this is how much you can make on this website. You can make 200, 500, 700, 8,000, 12,000, unlimited money, as long as you get more people. All you have to do, just have to make sure you watch this video until the end, step by step, because if you skip, you might get people but not get paid. So it's very important to watch this video until the end. I will explain step by step, so it will be easy for you guys. So before I start, I just want to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, and on my next video we'll get it. Shout out. Okay guys, the link will be in the description, right? The link will be in the description, the first link in the description. Click on that link and then register, right? So right now I already created my account, so I'm just gonna sign in, right? Just gonna sign in. So just slide, okay, then go again, then we'll see this, right? So just make sure you solve this puzzle, right? And here we are, right? This is Afrotex, right? Afrotex. So all you have to do, just have to invite 3 people. So after you invite 3 people, they must verify the account. So they all must verify the account. So let me show you how to verify your account, right? Click down here, right? So they must verify the phone number, personal information, and proof of identity. So if you're asking yourself right now, is this website legit? Yes, this website is legit. I went online and I did some research. I went on Facebook, so like they have like 20k followers, and then they also have the FSP number. So I took that FSP number and I went online and I searched it. So I saw like these people are registered FSP, financial service provider. If you check like Netbank, Capitec, all those major service provider, they must have FSP to see like, okay, they are authorized to provide financial service, right? So yes, they have FSP. So if they have FSP, so that means these people, they are legit. Your information is safe with them, your money is safe with them, right? So all you have to do, just have to make sure you invite 3 people, as I said, guys, and all those people, they must verify the account. If they do not verify, or maybe 1 or 2 verify the account and the other one do not verify the account, you won't get paid, right? You won't get paid. So let me show you how to verify, right? So I want to do this step by step with you guys so you can understand, right? So if we click right here, so you can see, I think also even from people from these other countries can create the account, right? So they have a lot of countries right there that you can try. A lot of countries right there, right? So I'm in South Africa, so I'm just gonna enter my number. So if you see some error message, so that means you must like log out and log in again, right? If you see error message right here, right, log out and then log in again, so that you get that code. So just wait few seconds so that they will send that code. 529411. So submit. So I just verified my number. So let's go to personal information. So personal information, guys, like personal information. So I'm just gonna quickly enter my details right here. Now we're done, so just gonna hit on submit. So success. So then go to proof of identity. So when you come right here, so just start. So right here, so you're gonna have to you will now perform the following steps, right? So this is so simple, guys. So the ID document and proof of address, right? So let's do that, right? Make sure you have your ID ready and your proof of address is ready, and make sure you're also in some you're not in the dark place where you won't be able to get that selfie. So now let's do it. So before you do the right, make sure you read here, right? Make sure you read here. Will give you some information right here, right? So make sure you read and you understand, guys. And as I said, this company is legit. we saw the FSP number, right? We saw the FSP number. They were also featured on MoneyWeb, right? So that is one of the major pages online when you talk about money, when you talk about investment, financial services, right? So now let's start. So please make sure that you do not put your ID on a background with lines or spot, right? So make sure guys you read it. So simple, so simple, so simple. So passport or ID. So I'm gonna ID card. If it's green card, it's green card. Passport. If it's driver's license, or maybe you wanna use passport. Yes, fine. Okay, now let's click on right here next. Right, so right here you're gonna upload front and back side of the ID, right? If you're using the card, right? If you're using your green book, then it's fine. So that means we're gonna upload one front side only, right? So let's begin. If this is giving you some problems, just click until it takes you to your images, right? So let's press next. So right here guys, we're gonna upload proof of address. So you can see right here they accept the following documents, right? If it's hard, man, maybe to get some of these, but I believe bank statement, you have bank statement, right? If you do not have some of these, I believe you have bank statement. Just go to your app, download that bank statement, and then put it right here, right? Put it right here. So I'm just gonna do that right now. So I'm done. So I'm just gonna click on next. So now we're going to the selfie, right? Going to the selfie. So simple guys. So let's proceed. We're done, right? So we're gonna click on next. And okay. Congratulations, right? So okay, now I just have to go back to the main page, so it will automatically take you to the home page, right? So you come back to the website. You can also download the app. I will also leave a link, like the link in the description, right? Click that link. So I'm done right here, right? So you can see right here, so I verified all these. So now I have to know two-factor verification status. So just click on it, and then after you click on it right there, just have to make sure you're right. Okay, scan this code or copy this. So I'm just gonna copy it, and I'm gonna use this app, right? I'm gonna use this app. I'm gonna click on it, and right here I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna enter. If you want to scan, if you want to enter. Product. So I'm gonna paste it right here, paste, and then add, right? Then and then go down there and click on it, copy it like you copied, come back to your app, and then just have to paste it right here. Then boom, we are done, guys. We are done. Now all you have to do, just have to make sure you invite people, and if they do not understand, maybe they are struggling, just send them this video, right? Send them this video so they can be able to watch this video step by step, and then they'll be able to verify the account. Because if two of those people they verify, the third one don't verify, you won't get paid, guys. You won't get paid. You do not even have to deposit, or you do not even have to trade, right? Do not have to deposit, you do not have to trade. This is how to get this man, guys. Get this man, guys. So please also make sure you subscribe to our crypto channel, and also join our WhatsApp channel about crypto. We talk about crypto, and also make sure you subscribe to our other channel, guys, entertainment channel. Thank you so much. If you want free airtime and free vouchers, please make sure you watch out this video. Peace.